It is a great puzzle that you can solve again and again and again, and every time you play it, you will have a lot of fun. Difficulty level of the Great Escape puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like the Great Escape puzzle, go to puzzlemaster.ca. It is one of the world's largest retailers of puzzles. Click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove this square tile with the balloon on it through the opening on the side of the frame. So we will start by moving this piece up, then this small one goes here, then this piece goes down, and we move these parts like that. And what we're supposed to do here is to put this vertical piece right here. Then we do exactly the same with this vertical piece. And now we move all of them to the right. This goes here. These two parts go up. Now we move the balloon piece down. These two parts go up. These two go up as well. Now we keep moving all the parts until these two will be on top. Now we move these two up. This goes up as well. These two go to the right. The balloon piece moves a little bit closer to the exit. Now these two go to the left. This goes up. Here you have to move this piece up, this to the right, and then you can move the balloon here and you can remove it through the opening on the side of the frame. And that is the solution of the Great Escape puzzle. It is not the only solution. This puzzle has a lot of initial setups